When filing a trademark app, am I allowed to list my DBA as the owner? Are there drawbacks or risks to this? I own a different brand and I don't want to be associated with the new one that I'm creating. Therefore, I do want to list my LLC as the owner of this new trademark, because then they'll be linked publicly. I also don't want to create another LLC yet for this new business. So can I simply file a DBA for the name of the new brand and then use that name to be listed as the trademark owner? Also, if I file the DBA with the new brand name, will this be public information that my LLC is operating with multiple DBAs? So the DBA question.
No, you can't. You can't. You can file and list your DBA, your doing business as, your assumed name, your pseudonym for your business as part of the application, but you still need to list the actual legal entity. Your DBA is not actually a legal entity. It's a stand-in for the name of the business. And so the USPTO is going to require you to list your LLC, or you as an individual owner, or if you have a corporation, the corporation, or your 501c3 nonprofit. So yeah, you'll need to list the LLC. Of course, you could also just file a new LLC and use that name. That would probably be the most appropriate way to do it.
Got it.
I don't think you're going to get around this issue. I think you're going to have to file a new LLC.
And even then, I mean, if someone who's really looking, right, if they figure out the name of the LLC, they can probably go find out from the Secretary of State, the registered agent,
Yep.
perhaps. There are ways to remain anonymous.
There are, and then there's anonymous states too, where you can file anonymous LLCs and corporations. Delaware, Wyoming, Arizona, I think. There's a number of them.
Yeah.